One of the most important aspects of setting up your store and ultimately automating your business is to properly set up your products and services. The majority of the businesses can start with our predefined store import, and then with some small modifications, they're ready to sell. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the prices you have already imported in our earlier video. You can change, remove, or add new products or services to make Gilas perfectly work for your store. Next video gives you an in-depth knowledge. In order to set up your products, navigate to Settings and then Items. Here, you can see the existing items which are imported as part of our default configuration. Here, you can see a list of your items, products, or services. If I click on any item, you will see the variants for that item. Variant is a variation of the product or service you provide. Each variant has different attributes that make it unique amongst others. In most dry cleaning businesses, only one attribute is necessary, and that is the task. For example, if I select shirt, the task might be dry clean, laundry, and press only, which are in fact the variations of shirt, and we can allocate a different price to each of them. In a typical alterations store, we have two different attributes called task and task detail. A sample of task could be shorten, lengthen, new zipper, and a sample of task detail would be normal, original, or double stitch. Variants are powerful tools that help you define and perfect your pricing structure. I will cover more details about variants on my next video. Please note that there is no right and wrong setup, and it's only you that can decide what's the right configuration for your store. Gilas gives you many ways to organize your products or services, so please feel free to make a setup that works for you. To change the price of dry cleaning, all you need to do is click on Edit and set the new price. Sure enough, you can also rephrase the attribute. I personally like press only instead of ironing, so I set the task attribute to press only. On the alterations setup, you should set two different attributes, task and task details. For example, if you want to change the price of shortening a pair of jeans, you will simply need to click on Jeans and find a jeans that has task of shorten and task detail of normal or original. I will then need to click Edit to change the price. If you wish to delete a variant, you can simply click three dots on the right side, and then on the bottom you will see the Delete button. To add a new variant, click Add Variant. Enter the details. And click Check on the top right corner to save. If you wish to change the picture of the item, you can click on the item image and click Select New Image. This will open your image library and allows you to pick an image. You can upload from your computer using the Upload button on the top left corner. On the next video, I will start with an empty setup and give you a complete understanding of item setup.